Hello, my name is Tony Jones, and I work here at Jensen Shoes in Nashville. Today we're going to go over stretching some patent leather shoes, okay? I've got a pair of patent leather shoes here. We have many millions of these here at work. Basically, this thing turns to open up and turns to close. So you want it all the way together, and you just easily insert it to your shoe. You want to make sure it's not touching anything when you turn it, especially because sometimes it's really high here. You don't want that touching when you turn it right here to open it up. And it's going to open it up like this. And you got to be careful, especially with the sole part, because if you stretch it too much, this is going to pop apart. Okay, when you catch, you can actually see it started opening up right here. It's called a shoe stretcher. And you definitely want to keep it like this for about 24 hours at least. Because if you only leave it there 5 to 10 minutes, you pop it like this, it's just going to pop back. Everybody's seen that somebody like bigger than you or has bigger feet than you go in there and wear your shoes for a minute, and all of a sudden they're stretched out. But this is kind of what the same thing is, except you're using a piece of material, piece of board here to do it for you. And this is basically how we stretch patent leather shoes.